Today, you guys, we're going to be making a fruit smoothie vegetable drink. Okay, so we're going to be using my NutriBullet. I have my cup there. I have some OJ. I have some frozen pineapples. I had went ahead and cut that up and froze it last night. I have some kale here. I have 2 oranges, some almond milk, 1 carrot, and my NutriBullet. Okay, my creators, let's get it. So let's go ahead and get to this. All right, now, you guys, a lot of people do juices a lot of different ways. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. But for me, I just honestly throw it in. There's Daniel Jr. You guys say good morning, my creators. Say good morning, my creators. All right, y'all. He said good morning. Okay, so with these juices, I normally just make them up as I go. So it's not really a, and I'm going to eat that because that still got flesh in it. So don't y'all worry y'all little pretty heads off about that. Okay, so normally I just honestly throw it. Okay, so normally with these juices, you guys, I just honestly throw whatever in. Whatever I'm feeling like, I just go ahead and say, you know what, I'm going to make a green juice, or I'm going to make a yellow juice, or a red juice, a blue juice. Whatever type of juice I'm feeling like, I go ahead and make that. I'm going to wash my carrot off here. And some of you guys probably peel your carrots. I want all the nutrients. I ain't worrying about nothing, because I actually can't taste all of that. You know what I mean? God made it in his garden, honey, and we're gonna go ahead and eat it. So I put a handful of the kale up in here, and you guys, I have been juicing for maybe 3 days now. Now I eat my food, but in the morning, exactly what I do is I come down here, I get my son's lunch ready for the day, and then I put my juice in the machine before I even do anything else. I'm not on no diet. I just want to make better changes. So here we go. We got a handful of pineapple right there. This juice is gonna be good today, y'all. And that's frozen pineapple. I had a pineapple that I was just had on my counter last night. Then I said, ooh, girl, you better go ahead and use that pineapple because it's gonna go bad. So I got all of my ingredients in there. I have my oranges, my carrots, my green kale, and my pineapple. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pour some almond milk in there. Now I'm gonna pour maybe about like a half a cup of almond milk. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in after and put some orange juice in there, about a half a cup as well. Put as much in there as you want. If you see the consistency not being what you want, add some more. It's simple as that, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this up. I am not going to trouble y'all ears with that, so I'm gonna blend this up. We'll be right back. Blended it all up, and here is what we have. A nice green juice. Don't let it scare you. I promise you it tastes good. This is why I mix the vegetables and the fruits, because you can get a better flavor. You can go ahead and try this. And see, you guys, I promise you, really can taste that kale. So go ahead and make you a green juice. So go ahead and make you a green juice before y'all get the day started. You won't be disappointed, y'all. Y'all done had your fruits and vegetables for the day. You guys, I want to tell you to continue to go forth with your dreams. Continue to believe in yourself. Please believe in yourself and know that you are going to make it no matter what. I love y'all. I love me. I love we. Until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching Tisha's Creative Cooking. Have a good day.